Hi guys, Cooking with Dad here. Today we'll be making turkey meatloaf. First, preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Assemble all the ingredients required by the recipe. Next, whisk an egg in a large bowl. This will be the base for your meatloaf. Add the meatloaf, the rest of the ingredients, and then mix thoroughly to incorporate all the ingredients uniformly throughout the meatloaf. Once this is done, pour it into a 9 by 5 inch pan or similar, ungreased, and top that with the topping mixture of ketchup and brown sugar. Spread it evenly on the top and then bake the meatloaf at 375 degrees for an hour until the internal temperature is 170 degrees. When it's done, take it out, let it rest for a few minutes, and then you can either take the meatloaf out and slice it or slice it and serve it from the pan. Thanks for watching Cooking with Dad, and be sure to check out our ad-free cookingwithdad.net website.